If you're thinking about building an online store with Shopify and you want to make sure you're getting the best free trial for the platform, you're watching the right video. I'm Matt Walsh from Ecommercetrix, where we make e-commerce easier for everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to turn Shopify's standard 3-day trial into a 3-month one. Let's start with the basics. Shopify's regular trial gives you just 3 days to build your store. That's enough time to poke around its interface, but not enough to actually build and launch a proper store. But here's the good news. We're an official Shopify affiliate partner, and if you start your trial through our special link, you can stretch that 3-day trial out to 3 months for just $1 per month. This saves you nearly $120, unlocks all the platform's key features, and crucially lets you fully launch your store on your own domain name, something you can't do on the regular trial. So how do you get your hands on this special trial? Simply click our partner link in the video description. That link takes you straight to the version of the trial that lets you unlock your 3-month extension. Once there, just enter your email address, answer a couple of quick onboarding questions, pop in your card details, and you're good to go. Your extended Shopify trial will begin immediately. And if you decide at any stage that Shopify isn't the right platform for your business, simply cancel your trial before your 3 months are up, and you won't be charged anything else. There is one thing to be aware of though. Shopify changes its promotional offers fairly frequently. So while this extended trial deal is available right now, there's no guarantee it'll stick around for long. So, if you like the sound of it, I'd recommend grabbing it while it's still there. Just click our partner link in the video description and you'll get around 90 days to build your fully functional Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, we'd love you to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more e-commerce tips and resources, please do follow or subscribe wherever you're watching this video. Finally, if you've got any questions about Shopify, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.